Welcome back, everybody. I'm Kyle Dixon with Kunis Country Ford Lincoln here in Delavan, Wisconsin. I'm out here today featuring the 2018 Shelby F-150 Super Snake. It is a breathtaking truck. Now, it is very similar to the 2018 755 horsepower Shelby F-150 with some very key differences that have it set apart from the other Shelby trucks. Now, if you want to see more about the 755 horsepower Shelby F-150, we've included a video link in the description below. So let's get started. Now, like the 755 horsepower Shelby F-150, the F-150 Super Snake is lightning fast. It comes from Ford with the 5-liter V8. Then Shelby puts on a 2.9-liter Whipple twin-screw supercharger to bring this truck's rating also to 755 horsepower. You've got a performance air intake with a carbon fiber oversized air intake tube, and then you've got the supercharger and the intake manifold powder-coated Ford Racing Blue. It looks magnificent under this hood. One of the key differences in this truck compared to the Shelby F-150 is this aerodynamic feature here. It's an air dam and splitter. Its function is to keep this truck sucked to the ground at high speeds. Now, one of the biggest differences in this truck from the Shelby F-150 is the performance full suspension lowering done by Shelby. It is lowered 4 inches in the rear and 2 inches in the front to bring it to a level plane here. That is also an aerodynamic feature. And another aerodynamic feature is the body side ground effects down here. Now, like the splitter up front, these are meant to cause what's called downforce to prevent turbulence at high speeds. Another huge difference in the Super Snake are these striking wheels and tires. The wheels are 22-inch chrome retro wheels from Shelby. You have the Shelby badging here. You have the red brake caliper covers with the Shelby lettering there. They look immaculate. Now, you also have your 305/45/22 speed-rated performance tires from Toyo. Like the 755 horsepower Shelby F-150, the Super Snake comes with the 502A luxury lariat package from Ford. That includes all the great safety upgrades like adaptive cruise control, your pre-collision warning, your blind spot info system, and your lane sensing. Shelby's compliments to the interior of this truck include the carbon fiber package. You have two-tone leather recover seats. On both the driver and passenger seat, you have the Super Snake embroidery. On the center console, you have the Shelby F-150 Super Snake with the 755 horsepower badge. You have your Super Snake CSM serial number from Shelby. You also have billet racing pedals. Now, Shelby also adds a hard painted tonneau cover. You've also got your Shelby bed rug liner, and you also have your tailgate step for easy access into the bed of the truck. Shelby is only making 250 of the F-150 Super Snakes in 2018. The good news is that you can still, for a few weeks, order one of these trucks in any of the 6 sensational colors that they come in. If I don't already have it in my inventory, we can get it for you. Now, if you're interested in more about that deadline, or if you want to order one of these trucks, please give me a call at 262-728-5544. Again, another thing to remember is that if you order one of these trucks from us at Kunis Country Ford Lincoln here in Delavan, Wisconsin, we will ship it in the continental United States for free. Thank you so much again for checking in. Please remember to like and comment below, and have a great day.